Why creators are ditching MacBooks for the Dell XPS 159530. This beast is built to slay. Feeling creatively blocked by your laptop? We've all been there, staring at timelines that lag, Photoshop freezing mid-edit, or videos stuttering like a cheap slideshow. If your laptop makes you wait more than it works, you're not the problem, it is. Whether you're editing 4K footage, designing high-res graphics, or just trying to get through a Zoom call without overheating like a space shuttle, your current setup is silently killing your vibe. Your tools should ignite your creativity, not suffocate it. And let's be real, why are you still apologizing for just one more crash on a Monday deadline? Your work deserves better than this daily tech torture. Time's not just money, it's sanity. Missed deadlines. Blurry renders. Creative momentum snapped in half by buffering wheels and spinning fans. Stress creeps in, confidence crumbles, and you start questioning your skills, when the real issue is that underpowered, overhyped machine in front of you. Meanwhile, opportunities are flying by like a time-lapse. Imagine the stuff you could have made if your laptop wasn't stuck in 2017. Burnout isn't always about workload, it's about the wrong tools draining your spark. And if you're still trying to create magic with lag? That's the plot twist. Meet the Dell XPS 159530, your new creative powerhouse. This isn't a laptop. It's a launchpad. Powered by the 13th Gen Intel i7 with 14 cores, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB SSD, the XPS 15 chews through multitasking like popcorn. Editing 8K footage? Easy. Layer-heavy design files? Bring it. The 15.6-inch Full HD Plus Infinity Edge display is like visual steroids, and that GeForce RTX 4050? She's got muscles. Whether you're a content creator, audio wizard, or just tired of babying your tech, this beast is made for hardcore doers. Oh, and it's built like a luxury tank. Precision-cut aluminum. Carbon fiber. Basically, the Batman of laptops. Say goodbye to bottlenecks, and hello to flow state. Work feels smoother. Your fingers dance on the edge-to-edge backlit keyboard. Your eyes? Less fried thanks to eye-safe tech. The speakers? Tuned by a multi-Grammy winner. And the vibes? Chef's kiss. With the XPS 15's Creator Edition features, full SD card slot, 16-hour battery life, and ultra-secure logins, you'll finally feel like your gear is working with you, not against you. It's productivity with no resistance. You'll wonder how you ever tolerated lag. Click below to check it out. You owe it to your workflow, your passion, and your peace of mind. Thousands already made the switch, don't be the one still waiting for render. Don't sleep on this, literally. Stock moves fast, especially with creators snapping up performance gear that actually delivers. Dell XPS 159530 is the real deal, sleek, strong, creator-ready, and Energy Star certified to keep your conscience clean. Ditch the regret. Ditch the slowdowns. Join the movement of makers who've leveled up and never looked back. Hit that link. Feel the difference. Own your tools. Own your process. Create louder, faster, clearer. The time is now.